Good morning. Hi, Mom. Hi, Gizmo. Hey, Sunny. Look at y'all on that branch. I know. It's standing where you and Dad stand. Great job. I'll just clean your room, kids. Okay, Mom. Look, Mom, look. I'm going on the front porch like you and Dad. Look, Mom. Oh, my goodness. Great job, Sonny. Look, Mom. I'm all the way up here at the tippy top. Oh my gosh, Sonny, you're all the way up on the tippy top. Oh, you did it. You're like Shadow. Yeah, like Dad. Like Batman. It feels so good. Those are my kids that I raised. So proud of you kids. You'll be leaving me soon. Look at those kids all the way out on the front branch. They'll be leaving me soon, but I am so proud of them. I'm proud of you, Sunny and Gizmo. Have a great day, everyone, and check out some of Sir Herbert Sneaky's books, like Grumpy Santa or Milo's Adventures, The Locket.